Genetics of Haemophilia, an example of sex-linked inheritance. X and Y chromosomes are the sex chromosomes. They determine gender. Females have two X chromosomes. Males have one X and one Y chromosome. Some genes are carried on the sex chromosomes. The characteristics governed by these genes are thus described as sex-linked. Let's look at a common example. Hemophilia is a genetic bleeding disorder caused by an X-linked recessive gene. Hemophiliacs' blood lacks sufficient clotting factors, and thus they tend to bleed for a longer time than normal. Bleeding in hemophiliacs is difficult to control. Let's use an example to further understand how hemophilia is inherited. In this example, the male has normal blood clotting ability, and the female is a carrier of the hemophilia gene. Let's look at the possible genotypes of the offspring they can produce. In the genetic diagrams, capital H represents the allele for normal blood clotting ability, the dominant allele, and small h represents the allele for hemophilia, the recessive allele. Recall that hemophilia is caused by an X-linked recessive gene. Therefore, the male with normal blood clotting ability has genotype XHY, and the female carrier of the hemophilia gene has genotype XH. Let's do the cross. These are the possible genotypes of their offspring. There is a 1 in 4 or 25% chance that the offspring they produce will have genotype XH, female normal. 25% chance of XH, female carrier. 25% chance of XHY, normal male. And 25% chance of XHY, male hemophiliac. Note that a female hemophiliac will have two copies of the recessive allele, one on each X chromosome. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.